So I decided to get another Brazilian blowout. I had one about a year ago, maybe a little bit more. Absolutely love it. My hair feels so soft, it feels so healthy, and I'm going to take you through all the steps of how I got to achieve this look. Of course, I did not do it, but my girl Mitzi did it. All her information will be in the down bar. So stay tuned. Loving it.
I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have.
Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I wanted to make a video today about what I've done. It's something that a lot of people are kind of into, and you can tell from the title. I went ahead and did a Brazilian blowout on my hair. So I did it for a few reasons. One, because I've had it done before, but it was like over a year ago that I had it done, and it was when my hair was a lot shorter. I'll show a picture. I haven't had my hair cut in so long. I did do kind of a real basic trim on my own hair. I did not know what I was doing, but I just felt like my ends needed to be clipped. So I went ahead and trimmed my ends. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to get that Brazilian blowout too. My husband loved it when I had it done the first time. And I also wanted to kind of relax my curls just a little bit, especially the ones that are around here, because my hair texture around here is a bit different than it is at the top. I got it done from an awesome friend of mine, Mitzi, from Exclusively Yours Salon. If you are in the Chicago area, Homewood, that is where it's in Homewood. That's where her salon is. She's not really taking new clients. However, her daughter, Jay, is taking new clients, and she is trained by her mother, as well as a lot of other trainings that she's had. Of course, licensed, everything. Really great professional place, and it's very professional through the whole COVID thing. And so I wanted to kind of relax my hair, and I wanted to see how long my hair got. Look, y'all. Okay, so I have a full video. It's not going to be long at all, but I just want to show the process of getting a Brazilian blowout. So I just wanted to show you real quick my hair is so soft. She does more of an undercut because my hair around here, as you all know, is shorter, and then my hair here is longer. So yeah, so I just want to show you real quick. Recommend it. So yeah, so stay tuned for the video and enjoy the whole process. And thank you, Jolie. I'm just gonna give a quick shout out to Jolie, her daughter, who is so awesome. She has two daughters, Jay, who's also a cosmetologist. Like I said, she's the bomb. If you guys can't get an appointment with Mitzi, their information will be in the down bar. But Jolie is the wash girl, and she knows her stuff. It's just crazy in the way she massages you and just how she treats you and talks to you. She's so professional, and she's only 15. Such an amazing, beautiful shop to go to. So hope you all enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Step one, and I got my little Jolie. So this is step one of just washing the hair first.
So this is your natural hair. Here's that part of your hair that is loose.
Okay.
So when it comes to blow drying, I'm going to use lower heat here. And when it comes to flat iron, I'm going to go over that end really fast.
Okay.
Because this is a customizable treatment. We can just elongate the curls, or we can just smooth the curls out so they'll be frizz free. But because this is naturally soft, we don't want you to lose this curl at all. So any questions?
So what is that right there? I guess I do.
This is the Brazilian blowout solution.
Oh, that's the
So
solution.
we put it on from root to end. And it's a very strong treatment. It's an amino acid.
Okay.
A little bit goes a long way. So we normally marry the hair together.
Oh.
You don't have to use a lot of product for it to be impactful.
Okay.
And the molecular weight is really, really small. So right now it's going to go into the hair shaft. Then we blow dry and flat iron. It's going to seal it.
Oh.
So we lock in moisture, we lock in conditioner and nutrients, and then seal the cuticle, and that's how the frizz is eliminated.
Okay. And so with my hair being colored, does that affect it?
No, actually, it's wonderful for color because it seals it, it moisturizes it, and it's going to give it natural sheen.
Okay.
Without product.
And so why am I wearing glasses?
We just don't want the product to pop into your eye
Oh, okay.
because it will burn, like anything else.
Yeah. Okay.
Color, relaxer, anything that you use, it'll burn the eye. So we
Okay.
just don't want anything to get in your eye.
Cool. All right.
And when you're dealing with natural hair, of course, it can pop.
Oh yeah. Okay. So this part, you're gonna blow dry the hair because that helps to do what?
This is going to seal the product into the hair shaft, and then we'll go ahead and flat iron. Sorry,
Okay.
my mask keeps sliding.
No, it's okay.
Awesome.
Awesome.
I need you to just carry them around.
Go in the back of her sound effect. You good? You dump these ugly flowers and put new flowers in the vases. Sexy. That comes over like that. This could just be flat iron and come down, but then this look at how long all that hair is. That's crazy.
How long would it take for you to blow dry me and do it again?
Not long. Because this is you're gonna blow.
Okay, so I've gotten it all straightened out, and now look at that. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Now Jolie is going to wash it out. The Brazilian blowout out. So that's the step that she's doing. So Jolie, tell them what you're going to be doing.
Right now, I'm rinsing the Brazilian blowout product out, and then I'm going to be conditioning her hair to blow.
Okay. Is there a certain type of shampoo you have to use?
Sulfate free.
Sulfate free. Okay. And we'll be back after she washes it out. So as you can see the difference as it has been washed, and the curl pattern is still there, and you know the curl pattern for me is very soft in the front and a little tighter in the back, but you can just see it's a little bit looser. So
I'm gonna wash my hands out.
She has stuff on the other end.
Of yours?
Oh.
okay, so now she's blow drying my hair, and what are you saying about how fast it blow dry? Oh, let me make sure it's on. Okay.
So now water is just sitting on top of the hair. It's not penetrating the cuticle because your cuticle is sealed. So your hair will blow dry much faster.
Wow.
And now you'll have less tangle. Like it'll be very easy for you to manage yourself.
Wow.
Like we didn't comb it out or brush it out with the wet brush. We're just going through. And it's drying really fast. And we can just finger through the curls. No problem.
Now, how often can a person get the Brazilian blowout? Since it is kind of like a chemical?
It's an amino acid. It's not a chemical.
Oh.
It can go on top of a relaxer. It can go on top of a keratin treatment. They say 12 to 14 weeks, going according to the rate of growth. But I tell people as needed. Some of my clients just get it twice a year. Once the roots get really thick, then they know it's time.
Okay.
To get another one because it becomes unmanageable.
Okay.
But the ends are still going to be nice and smooth.
So what would be the point of a person who has a relaxer to get a Brazilian blowout?
They want to grow their relaxer out and go natural.
Oh.
So now you don't have to worry about the ends breaking because you have natural hair at the root and it's more dry at the end from the sodium hydroxide relaxer.
Okay.
So yeah, the treatment will actually protect the hair, seal the hair, help them retain their ends, and they can cut it when they want to, not because they have to because it's breaking off.
Okay. Makes sense.
That is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left where you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Got me singing, oh. Got me singing, Now we're running in the rain. Oh, I can see a better day. Oh, come in. So get ready for the sun. Oh, yeah, girl, I promise it will come. I have always loved you. In my mind, I thought you knew. Though the rain falls down, I will be around. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, the love we have is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special in you. Oh, I know, I know, I know, I know. So come rain or shine, I'll be by your side. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you, rain or shine. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be Let's go running in the rain. I'll be girl, I love you. Rain or shine. Oh, let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you in the rain. Let's go running in the rain.